Hello everyone, welcome back to Zimist Coded. I hope you're doing great today. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the download location in Microsoft Edge. Maybe your downloads folder is getting full, or maybe you prefer saving your files somewhere more convenient. Whatever your reason, the process is very simple, so let's walk through it together, step by step. Alright, first things first, go ahead and open your Microsoft Edge browser. Take a moment. Perfect. Now look at the top right corner. You'll see three small horizontal dots. Click on them to open the Edge menu. From there, choose Settings. Nice and easy. Once the Settings page opens, shift your attention to the left side. You'll see different categories listed there. Look for the one labeled Downloads and give it a click. Here's where you'll find your current download location. You can see mine is set to the default Downloads folder. But maybe you want your files to go somewhere else, like your desktop, documents, or another folder you've organized. To change it, simply click on the button that says Change. A window will pop up allowing you to choose your preferred folder. Take your time here. You can select an existing folder or create a brand new one if you want to stay organized. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose my desktop. Once you've picked your new location, just click Select Folder, and done. Now here's an optional tip. If you want Microsoft Edge to ask you where to save every single file before downloading, you can toggle on the option that says, Ask me what to do with each download. This gives you more control, especially if you save different files in different places. And that's it. You've successfully changed the download location in Microsoft Edge. From now on, anything you download will go straight to the new folder you selected. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial on Zimist Coded. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more simple and practical tech guides. I'll see you in the next one.